Welcome back, 18s! Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. It involves our very own P-pop kings, the Mahalima or SB19, and the copyright issues they faced with their previous handler, ShowBT Philippines. This has had a negative impact on them as artists, and we will delve into the details today. It may not be on the legal side, but the overall impact on their craft. To understand the gravity of the situation, let's start by talking about copyright and name trademark. Copyright is a legal right that grants exclusive ownership to the creator of an original work, preventing others from using or reproducing it without permission. On the other hand, a name trademark protects names, logos, and other branding elements associated with a company or product. The group comprising of members, Pablo, Josh, Stell, Justin, and Ken, garnered immense popularity through their hard work, talent, and dedication. However, their journey was not without the challenges. It was reported that SB19 struggled with issues regarding the ownership of their name, songs, and compositions. As artists, their creative expressions are deeply personal and form an integral part of their identity. These copyright issues with the ShowBT Philippines raised questions about the extent of control they had over their own music. Furthermore, the name trademark of SB19 was also at stake during this ordeal. A name trademark serves as the band's identity and allows them to distinguish themselves in the industry. Being unable to lay claim to their name could potentially hinder their progress and limit opportunities. It is crucial for artists to have control over their brand to maintain their artistic integrity. The negative impact on the artist cannot be undermined. Copyright issues and name trademark disputes can be emotionally and financially draining for artists. It raises concerns about their autonomy, creative freedom, and their ability to make a living from their craft. These issues can take a toll on their mental well-being and hinder their artistic growth. Despite the challenges they faced, SB19 has shown immense resilience and determination. They have been vocal about their desire to regain control over their music and continue pursuing their dreams. Their fanbase, we the 18s, will rally behind them, showing our unwavering support and solidarity. If SB19 signs with a new management company, the matter will eventually be resolved. This allows artists to recover control over their music and artistic direction. It is a significant step toward addressing the detrimental impact of copyright concerns on artists. However, there are serious consequences if they do not properly leave their prior handler. Here are some potential legal implications if SB19 were to leave ShowBT and start managing their own career under a new company. First, the contractual obligations. SB19 would need to review their existing contract with ShowBT to understand any clauses around termination, non-compete agreement, intellectual property ownership, and etc. Breaking a valid contract could result in legal action from ShowBT Philippines. Second, Trademark or brand ownership. Issues may arise regarding who owns trademarks, copyrights, and other intellectual property related to SB19's name, images, and existing materials. This would need negotiated transfer of ownership. Third, the loss of industry contacts. ShowBT would retain existing contacts and relationships with venues, producers, sponsors, and others. SB19 may struggle to secure gigs and deals without an established company behind them at first. Talent poaching allegations. If SB19 tried to take staff resources from ShowBT Philippines, it can be construed as talent poaching and lead to lawsuits around unfair competition. Fifth, the transition costs. Starting a new agency comes with expenses for registration, licensing, hiring staff, office space, and other matters. SB19 would need startup capital and a business plan. Sixth, tax implications. Moving assets, contracts, and revenues between companies could trigger tax reviews and potential tax liabilities. A great professional advisor would be required for this matter. Next is the negative publicity. An acrimonious split announcement may generate unfavorable coverage, painting one or both sides in a negative light. Reputation will be damaged, like what is happening now by canceling their concerts. 8. Proper legal or business advisor would need to ensure a clean contractual exit. Negotiate all intellectual property issues, address confidentiality and non-compete contracts, mitigate tax risks, and handle public statements carefully in any separation from ShowBT Philippines. Copyright issues and name trademark disputes can have significant consequences on artists, as seen in the case of Mahalima. It highlights the importance of empowering artists and protecting their rights. It is crucial for the industry to foster a fair and supportive environment that allows artists to flourish and retain control over their creative works. And that's all for today's discussion, folks. I hope this sheds light on the copyright issues faced by our Mahalima and the negative impact it had on them. Let's continue supporting them and their journey towards artistic freedom. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, take care and keep supporting our talented artists. Goodbye!